Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 901 through 1000.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Word 901.
Let's start learning.
Welcome. Welcome to our class.
Farewell. We said farewell to our friends.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Handshake. They greeted each other with a handshake.
Hug. My mother gave me a hug.
Smile. Your smile is beautiful.
Greeting. A friendly greeting makes people happy.
Conversation. We had a nice conversation.
Listener. She is a good listener.
Speaker. The speaker talked clearly.
Teamwork. Teamwork helps everyone succeed.
Partner. My partner helped me finish the work.
Teammate. My teammate scored a goal.
Neighbor. Our neighbor is very kind.
Visitor. The visitor arrived early.
Tourist. The tourist took many pictures.
Guide. Our guide explained everything well.
Leader. A good leader listens to others.
Follower. Every follower learns something new.
Volunteer. Many people volunteer on weekends.
Hobby. Gardening is my favorite hobby.
Interest. Reading is an interesting hobby.
Skill. Cooking is a useful skill.
Talent. She has a music talent.
Ability. Practice improves your ability.
Knowledge. Knowledge grows every day.
Education. Education is very important.
Future. We can build a bright future.
Success. Hard work brings success.
Achievement. Finishing this course is a great achievement.
Healthy habit. Drinking water is a healthy habit.
Positive attitude. A positive attitude helps you learn.
Confidence. Confidence grows with practice.
Courage. It takes courage to try.
Kindness. Kindness makes the world better.
Respect. Always show respect to others.
Honesty. Honesty builds trust.
Responsibility. Homework is your responsibility.
Patience. Learning English requires patience.
Gratitude. Show gratitude every day.
Celebrate. We celebrate our success together.
Congratulate. I congratulate you on your hard work.
Encourage. Parents encourage their children.
Support. Friends support each other.
Inspire. Great teachers inspire students.
Motivate. Good results motivate me.
Improve. Practice helps you improve.
Continue. Continue learning every day.
Achieve. You can achieve your dreams.
Succeed. She will succeed with effort.
Adventure. Every day is a new adventure.
Opportunity. This class is a great opportunity.
Challenge. Every challenge teaches us something.
Solution. We found a simple solution.
Decision. It was the right decision.
Choice. That was a smart choice.
Experience. Learning English is a wonderful experience.
Memory. I have many happy memories.
Dream. Never stop chasing your dream.
Goal. My goal is to speak English confidently.
Discover. We discovered a beautiful place.
Explore. Let's explore the city.
Create. Children love to create stories.
Imagine. Imagine your future success.
Wonder. I wonder what will happen tomorrow.
Observe. Observe the birds carefully.
Notice. Notice the small details.
Remember. Remember to practice daily.
Forget. Don't forget to smile.
Practice. Practice makes progress.
Review. Review today's lesson tonight.
Repeat. Repeat after the teacher.
Understand. I understand this lesson now.
Explain. Can you explain this word?
Answer. She answered every question.
Question. I have one more question.
Lesson. Today's lesson is interesting.
Course. This course is helpful.
Certificate. She received a certificate.
Journey glasses. Graduation is next month.
Journey. Learning English is a long journey.
Destination. We finally reached our destination.
Passport. Don't forget your passport.
Suitcase. My suitcase is packed.
Airport. We arrived at the airport early.
Airplane. The airplane landed safely.
Vacation. We enjoyed our vacation.
Friendship. Friendship is a wonderful gift.
Happiness. Happiness comes from simple things.
Peace. We all want peace.
Hope. Never lose hope.
Love. Love your family every day.
Laughter. Laughter makes life better.
Smile again tomorrow.
Confidence builder. Daily practice is a confidence builder.
Lifelong learner. Be a lifelong learner.
Bright future. You have a bright future.
Never give up on your dreams.
Keep learning every day.
Congratulations on finishing 1,000 words.
Excellent job.
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 11.
Goodbye and happy learning!